Me and Caspian are ready to go out. As you can see, Caspian was no trouble at all, just a little angel. Yeah, you smile now. Anyway, we're going to go out, we're going to have a look at the beach. It's about 15-20 minute walk from here, and Anna's out doing a bit of training, so we'll see how that goes as well. And yeah, so come on a little journey. Hey man. Yeah. So here we are at the beach. It's quite nice. It's a bit overcast today. Supposed to be clearing up tomorrow. The swell looks like it's up, but just not here kind of thing. There's not much waves because it's quite deep. But yeah, it looks like the swell's up pretty good, so I might try and go surfing tomorrow. But yeah, Caspian had a little sleep on the way, and now we're gonna check this place out. Alright, so that was the video of us going to the beach. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, because this really helps us to keep these videos rolling and for you to actually see those videos. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed. It was just a little video, first trip down to the beach. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Next video coming up will be Anna with going in and doing some training in a dance school in Portugal. She does a bit of a contemporary dance and all that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, check us out. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.